Here is how to write off an invoice in QuickBooks. Once you are already signed in to QuickBooks Online, go to the upper right corner and click the Settings gear icon. From that menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you will create the account that will track the write-off. Click New Account, then create an expense account named Bad Debts. Make sure the name matches what you want to use later when you assign it to the product or service item. After that, save the new bad debts account. Next, move to Sales and Get Paid, then select Products and Services. Click New and create a new product or service called Bad Debt. When you set up this item, assign the Bad Debts expense account to it, then save the item. This connects the credit memo to the expense account you just created. Now go to the left-hand menu, click Create, and select Credit Memo. Choose the customer connected to the invoice you want to write off. In the Product or Service field, select the bad debt item you created a moment ago, then enter the amount of the invoice you want to remove from the customer balance. Check that the amount matches the invoice you are writing off, then save the credit memo. With the credit memo saved, click Create again and select Receive Payment. Choose the same customer so QuickBooks shows the open transactions for that account. Under Outstanding Transactions, select the invoice you want to write off. You should also see the credit memo available to apply. Apply the credit memo to that invoice until the remaining balance shows as 0.00. This is the key part of the process because it clears the customer balance without marking the invoice as paid with cash. Once the invoice and credit memo offset each other correctly, click Save and Close to complete the write-off. If the balance does not go to 0.00 right away, review the selected invoice and the credit memo amount before saving. The customer on both transactions must match, and the amount entered on the credit memo must line up with the invoice balance you are clearing. After you save and close, the invoice will no longer show an amount due, and the write-off will be reflected through the bad debts expense account you created earlier. Thanks for watching. The invoice is now written off in QuickBooks and its remaining balance is 0.